So last class we had discussed about, so already we discussed, right? So what is Jenkins parameterized, how to declare that parameterized variables and how to call in Windows environment, and so already we seen, right, that role based and all. So first we need to install the git parameter plugin. So yesterday we seen, right, so how to install git parameters and how to enable that one. And if we have branch, so runtime, if you want to select a specific branch and all, so we can select it. We can so select it. Clear? So anyone any doubt how to declare that parameters and how to print those and all? That is a Windows environment. And today we'll move so Linux environment and how to set up Jenkins server in Linux and same. So just only operating system will change. So remaining so work with Jenkins is same only, nothing. Don't confuse here. So as of now, Jenkins server is running Windows only. So this is my Windows operating system. So this is my Windows operating system. Correct? So Windows I installed Jenkins server. Only installation part will change. Apart from this, so nothing. It won't change anything. So same as usual only. Now I am going to create a one Linux instance, AWS, Linux or Ubuntu anything. Now here I am going to, I am going to select Linux operating system. That's it. Linux, so OS is nothing but operating system. Here I am going to set up, here I am going to install the Jenkins server. So once installation only, installation steps only it will change. Next, creating jobs, all options, it won't change anything. All options, it won't change anything. Clear guys? Anyone, any doubt here? So as of now, we use Windows operating system. So now, so let's move on to Linux operating system. So in if you come to real time, so I'm not saying 100% all are using Windows. So we can't say 100% all are using Linux. That is based on client requirement, based on that project they, right, project and client. So might be they are using Windows environment or might they are using Linux environment. Anyone. So but both are same only. Only installation part will change. Apart from this, it won't change anything. Clear? Hello?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Now, so now as of now, this is the line. This is Jenkins server Windows, right? Now, if you want to work with Linux, already Lakshmi sir also I hope how to create a AWS account and all. So now this is the cloud. Now I move on to so AWS cloud. So I have account in AWS cloud. I have account in AWS cloud, and so in this AWS, so now I am going to select so Linux flavor. So I am going to select the Linux operating system and all. Next, we'll set up in Linux and all. We'll see. So now if you have account and all, directly we can log in. So this is the URL. So AWS, so AWS console login. So console login. So if you use means this is the official website. So AWS Amazon console. This is nothing but cloud. This is the one cloud. Cloud is nothing but you don't worry infrastructure and all. Everything taken care by cloud people. That is AWS people. So and also these people they are providing some free hours every month. And compared to other cloud, so for practice purpose these people very cheap. That is the reason. So we selected cloud. So every month they are providing 750 hours. And so based on this we can work. So here also we can know this is a cloud official website aws.amazon.com. So this is a console. And so if you want to know pricing and all, we can select pricing. If you want to know more about what is these services and all, how it will work, we can know. So these are the already sir explained, right, in AWS. Now these are the, but these people they are providing many services. So now let me log in, sign in console. So if we have account, directly we can log in. If you don't have account, click on sign up button. Sign up, right? So AWS console login. So if you use that is the sign up. So if you want to create, so that is if you click on sign in, already I logged in. So now let me log out. You can see two options, sign in and sign up. So if we click on sign in, if we click on sign in, and now there is a bottom we can see create new account and all. But so here if you want to create AWS account, so you need credit card. We need credit card. Without credit card, it won't work. So first up, there is 5 steps it is asking, like username, enter email ID. This email ID. So if already used this email ID in AWS account, don't use that one. It won't allow. Just enter new email ID and give any name and all. Hmm. So give any name and all. So email ID. First you need to give email ID and account name. And so this is the basic steps only. But so amount and all we need to give credit card information. If you want to complete your AWS sign up account, it is asking third step, that is payment section. In the payment section, so I will send document you follow. If already if you have account, no need to do again. So if you don't have, just follow this sign up button. And like right, how to create Gmail account, they are asking some personal information only, and fill all your personal information, and also give your credit card information payment section. So just it will they will detect only 2 rupees, and that is only for verification. Only they will detect 2 rupees for verification purpose. Once your account is verified, again, so what they will do, so they will refund that 2 rupees also. You don't worry. So, but verification only they will ask a credit card information. I'll just fill all these things. Now already I have. So here actually two types of users: root user, IAM user. So default we are logging root only. This is my account. So now enter password. So once you log into the AWS account, so this is the default home page. So this is the dashboard page, and this is the dashboard page. And no, right. I hope in morning section already sir explained all these options and all. So this is the global. This is a global search, and so these people they will provide many services. So nearly 200 plus services AWS people they are providing, and so based on your usage, based on your necessity, based on right your customization. So your usage, you can select. There is multiple services they will provide, but what you need, so based on we can select any one service. So here a few services are free, and and few services are paid versions. We need to pay and use it. Right? Like so, these all services, infrastructure, everything taken care by AWS people. So right? Already there is many clouds available. Already right? AWS cloud. This is one cloud, and so Google cloud. In the market, these are the topmost. Microsoft Azure, Microsoft. Yeah. These are the cloud. Oracle cloud. There are many clouds. These are the topmost. And even if you come to so list of cloud providers, list of cloud providers. Now see here list of major public cloud providers. Now see here AWS. So right now we are discussing AWS, right? Amazon Web Services, full name AWS, and Microsoft Azure and GCP. That is nothing but Google Cloud and IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Red Hat Cloud, uh, Heroku Cloud. There is many clouds available. So all of these are the different providers. So we can select anyone, guys. That is up to you only. But most of the time we are using AWS only. So here they will give every month they will give some free hours for practice purpose and all. So that is the reason. But all are cloud only. But real time might be one company they are using Microsoft Azure. So other company they used Google Cloud or IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, whatever it may be. But if you know one cloud, so we can easily understand. So we can easily upgrade your skills and all other cloud also. That is not that that is not a big issue. Okay. Mm. So these are the cloud. Now AWS is the one cloud, and so here I need so one instance. Which instance? Linux operating system. So as of now, I set up Jenkins server in Windows operating system only. So now today onwards, so I work with Linux flavor, Linux operating system. So here in terminology is instance. In AWS we are calling as instance. So which instance you want? So if you click on here, there is one service is there, EC2 service, Elastic Cloud Computing, EC2. This is the service EC2. So this is the virtual service in the cloud. This is the virtual server, right? So EC2. So this is the EC2, and so this is the default dashboard. See here resources, and left side EC2 dashboard, EC2 global view, events, tags, limits. So there is many options available. You don't worry. So anyway, morning classes, sir will explain all these things, right? So now our so what we need? I need one so Linux instance or Ubuntu instance or whatever it may be, or CentOS. Now these are the default dashboard, and if you click on the running instances 0, and so there is a dedicated host 0, instances 0, load balancer 0. I hope right now we discuss load balancer, right? Morning and evening section. Sir. Okay. Now these are the keys. Now I need one instance. Click on instances. Now, so these are the instances, and so now select launch instance. So if you want to select, if you want to create any instance, so this is the option launch instances. If you click on launch instances, so these are the launch instance. See here, Amazon EC2 allows to create virtual machine, VM machine. This is nothing but VM. This is also one operating system. So right now in my laptop already I installed Windows operating system. So same like I want to create one operating system in Windows AWS, but this infrastructure and all taking care by AWS people, you don't worry. And so here there is few services free only we are selecting. So now this is the name and tag, and give any name, and these are the so see here, these are the AMI, Amazon Machine Image, AMI, Amazon Machine Image. Now see here, AMI is a template. So this is like one template, this is one image. This image contains software configurations, what necessary softwares we needed, and what are the packages you needed. So those and all, it is the nothing but image. Here itself we can understand. So an AMI is a template that contains software configuration like operating system, application server, and applications required to launch your instance. So that necessary, right? So softwares available in that image. So that's it. Simply remember, so image is nothing but, right? This is one template. It contains software configuration like operating system, application necessary, package, all whatever you need, it is available. Basic, not only needed, the basic related to operating system. Now these are the AMIs. Suppose if you have one MI, you can select it. Suppose so if you have any MI, see this is the Linux flavor, this is the Mac flavor, this is the Ubuntu flavor, Windows, Red Hat. So like this, so there is many things here available, right? So we can select anyone. So we can select anyone. So these are the default. If we click on launch instance, if you click on launch instance, so now here select which one you want, Linux or Ubuntu or Windows or Red Hat, whatever it may be. So anyway, right now I need one Linux machine. That's it. So I need one Linux. Click on the Linux, Amazon Linux, AWS, and if you select this one, by default it is selected only. Now these are the free tier eligible. Now see here. So this is the free tier. There is many versions available, but don't select unfree. Only select, we can select this one, or we can select this one, or we can select this one. So these are the free only. So and this is also free. So now see here, free tier eligible. So anyway, my account still I have free tier eligible. I am eligible for free tier. I can use these instances. I can use these instances. Okay. So select anyone, this one or this one. This is the Linux 2 AMI and kernel 5.0. This is the 4.14. Okay. So this is the latest one. Select this one. And second one. So this is the description, which operating system. This is the AMI ID, and this is the instance type. What type? How much memory you want? Suppose if you install any operating system, right? So we have RAM. We have certain RAM, right? So for example, 8 GB RAM. For example, 8 GB, 8 GB RAM. In our laptop also we can see desktop laptop and hard disk and all we can see, right? So these are the so what you want, which configuration you need. So that and all we can select here. Now see here, this is the T2 micro. Anyway, mostly I am using this one. And if you want to see one CPU enough for me, 1 GB memory. 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. or these are the some free eligible is there, we can select free, or if you select other type, so we need to pay. So now this is enough for me. Okay, anyway, I'm going to, so or else we can select T2 anyway Jenkins server, right? I'm selecting so some high config T2, T2, T2 micro. T2 micro means one CPU. T2 medium, small 2 GB memory, and so I'm selecting T2 medium, 2 CPUs, 4 GB. Anyway, I'm going to install that is basic working on that is 1 GB, 1 CPU enough. But anyway, I need to set up Jenkins under, right? I am selecting T2 medium. These are the configurations. So how much GB RAM you need, how many memory CPUs you need. So this and all based on requirement. I hope already you idea. Now this is the key pair. So if you want to connect, use your key pair to security connect. Securely, if you want to connect your instance, we need key, right? So create new key pair, and I'm giving um, this is March, right? So March key. Just I'm giving Linux key. Just give any name. That's it. I need a PM file only. Create PM file. Automatically it will download. So automatically it will download. We can use it. Next, these are the network settings. Already I hope everyone know what is VPC, virtual private cloud, and what is the subnet and all. And if you want to install, if you want to create your instance specific VPs and all, so just edit and we can select. So for the time being, I don't want, I'm using default VPC only. I'm not going to configure any AWS service, right? So this is enough for me. And security group, so if you have existing security group, I can select existing. And so if you don't have anything, select a new security group. Okay, now these are the 8 GB enough for me. This is the storage root volume, 8 GB enough for me. So this is the storage volume. Okay, EBS black storage volume, this is the root volume, 8 GB enough for me. Just how many instances you want. So for I need only one enough for me, I don't want more, just number of instance, that's it. So if everything okay, click on the launch instance. Now instance, see launched instance, click on this instance ID. Now we can check it. See here, it is pending, it will take time. Now see here, this is the instance state and instance type T2 medium. And so this is the status check, and so alarm that availability zone. I hope everyone know what is availability zone, what is this and all basic information. In AWS already we listen, so last 4 5 days, right? So these are the security group, and this is my key name, and when I created launch time and all. And first wait, so in instance type, so medium, and running status, status check 2 by 2, right? Okay, just wait. So now instance is, so it is launching. It is, right, instance is creating. So initializing. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait. And I'm giving Jenkins server, Jenkins SRV. Whatever name we can give. This is the, I'm giving this server name. I'm giving Jenkins SRV. Jenkins SRV. That's it. So whatever name we can give it. Now if you see here, now these are remaining same story only. Same steps. Already know all how to connect and all. So let me connect. So how to connect this instance? So how to connect this instance? So refresh it. How to connect? So where is my PM file? So let me go to that PM file. Downloaded. This is my PM file, and so keep somewhere. Daily I'm using, right. I'm keeping here. Okay. Now how to connect it? So go to Git Bash. There is multiple ways we can connect. Right. Via we can Git Bash, putty. So there is multiple ways we can connect our instance. So now anyway, so by default method I am following. So git bash. Go to particular, where is your PM file? Where is your PM file? Right click and go to here, git bash, right? Show more option, git bash, git bash, and so just copy this command. What is this command? Securely connect, right? What is this? Click on this instance ID, and so go to connect, and this is the SS client. Now copy this command, ss-i, your PM file username, and your host name. Okay, coming to here, just paste it, control plus plus. So now we can check. Now see here, are you are you sure you want to continue connecting this? Yes, I want to connect. Now connected. So my AWS Linux instance is ready. So Linux instance is ready. So Linux instance is ready. So clear guys, anyone any doubt as of now? Hello?
Yeah, clear, sir. But
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
అది ముందు
Doubt ఏంటి?
లైనాక్స్ క్లాసెస్ నేను అటెండ్ కాలేదు సార్ ఒకటి కూడా.
లక్ష్మీప్రసాద్ క్లాసులు అటెండ్ కాలేదా?
లేదు సార్. మీ క్లాస్‌లో అటెండ్ అవుతా కంటిన్యూగా ఈవినింగ్ బ్యాచ్.
మార్నింగ్ ఏమి?
మార్నింగ్ నాకు ఆఫీస్ ఉంటది సార్.
అయినా వీడియోస్ వస్తా ఉంటాయి కదా నీకు.
ఓకే.
వీడియోస్
ఓకే.
రాలా?
మీరు ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్ లైనక్స్?
ఆల్రెడీ సార్ చెప్పేసినాడు అది.
ఓకే.
మార్నింగ్
సరే.
క్లాస్ చెప్పినాడు సార్. ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే.
AWS లో ఉన్నాడు సార్.
మీరు ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ కదా సార్?
నేను జస్ట్ నాకు లైనక్స్ సర్వర్ కాబట్టి AWSకి వచ్చా.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఓకే.
సార్ వచ్చి AWS సర్వీసులు చెప్తున్నాడు ఇప్పుడు. కరెంట్ బ్యాచ్లు ఇప్పుడు చెప్తా అన్నాడు సర్వీసులు.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
వాట్ అబౌట్
సరే సార్.
ఎక్కడున్నావు
నేను
ఇప్పుడు? వీళ్ళు ఎవరుంటారు చూడు. ఇష్యూ దిలీప్. సో ఇప్పుడు AWS ఏ సర్వీస్ చెప్తున్నాడా సారా?
సార్ రూట్ చెప్తున్నాడు సార్. రూట్ 53.
రౌట్ 53.
రౌట్ సార్.
రౌట్ 53. ఓకే. సో యాక్చువల్లీ నువ్వు వీడియోస్ వస్తా ఉంటాయి కదా కృష్ణ, రాలేదా?
వచ్చాయి సార్. మీరు కంటిన్యూగా తీసుకుంటారు అనుకుంటాను నాకు.
నీకు అందుకే కదా ప్యారలల్ గా స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. మార్నింగ్ ఉంటుంది, ఈవినింగ్ ఉంటుంది. నీకు పాసిబిలిటీ లేదనుకో వీడియోస్ వస్తాయి కదా, ఆ వీడియోస్ విను.
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్.
నీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ అడిగినావంటే మళ్ళీ నీకు రివిజన్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే సార్. నేను
ఓకే, నువ్వు లైనక్స్ కూడా మిస్ అయినావు.
అవును. ఒక లైనక్స్ అని
ఓకే.
క్లాస్.
ఓకే. సో సార్ క్లాస్ లో వస్తా అంటే నీకు కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాను.
సరే
సో
సార్.
నువ్వు బేసిక్ అవి ఖాళీ ఫ్రీ టైంలో విను.
నాకు నేను వన్స్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను సార్. నాకు
ఓకే.
ఇచ్చారంటే వీడియోస్ నేను
పెడతాం.
వీకెండ్
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
క్లోజ్ చేసుకుంటాను.
ఓకే. నో
ఓకే
ప్రాబ్లం.
సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నువ్వు అది వింటే ఇదంతా చాలా ఈజీ ఇది. ఆల్రెడీ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్ నో రైట్. దిలీప్ ఆల్రెడీ యు ఆర్ అటెండింగ్ రైట్?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే. సో వాళ్ళందరూ అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారు. మేబీ నువ్వు మిస్ అయిపోయినావు. జస్ట్ ఆ వీడియోస్ పంపిస్తాం, జస్ట్ రిఫ్రెష్ చేయి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ మీకు కాల్ చేసినా పర్వాలేదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. అది వీడియోస్ పంపించారంటే
పంపిస్తా.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Now my environment is ready. Just I need one what is this operating system, right? See here, earlier I am set up Jenkins server Windows only, but real time 50-50 chance. That is based on client project and all only. So might be they using Windows operating system or Linux, but most of the cases nowadays we are using Linux flavor only, Linux or Ubuntu. Okay. So that is the reason. So few concepts. So we will complete. So in Linux flavor also. Now as of now, all Jenkins options and all. So that is no variation. Same only setup will change. Installation part only it will change. Apart from this, there is nothing, no change. So don't confuse here. Okay. Now, so this is the Linux flavor. This is the Linux instance. So this is Linux. Now let me update. So if you want to update if you want to clear the screen and all, for example, here I typed something. If you want to clear the screen, CLS. So clear, Windows CLS, in Linux C clear. Clear means clear the screen. Now let me update some packages and all. Now coming to here, come to Google and so try it. So how to download Jenkins? Download, just type Jenkins. That's it. If you use download Jenkins, so if you click on download Jenkins, already you know, right? So earlier I selected Windows, right? Earlier I selected Windows.
Yes.
Now what is my operating system? Linux. Linux means this is the Linux. Red Hat, Fedora, Rock, CentOS. Now got it, same only. So earlier I selected Windows operating system. Now, so what is my operating system here? Linux flavor. So now I need to select this option. Which one? This one. If you click on this, so everything that people they will provide. See here. See here, just copy and paste it. That's it. Apart from this, no need to do anything. And before that, let me update my packages. If you want to update any packages, so these are. Anyway, I'm go to root user. Right now, I am in EC2 user. This is the regular user, default user, Linux mission default user. So if you want to root user, sudo hyphen, these all are Linux commands only. So don't confuse here. These all are the Linux. See here, earlier I am in EC2 user. This is the regular user, normal user. Now I switch to root. Root is nothing but administrator. Administrator have all access, all permissions. So root can do anything. Simply if you want to understand. So if you need to understand, root is nothing but administrator, full access. So root can do anything. That's it. Now, so m update -y. Just I am updating my packages. So if we have any, now everything okay. M update -y. So everything, so no packages marked for update. So everything up to date only. So now clear the screen. Now coming to here, just copy and paste it. That's it. Now see here. So I'm copying this. See here, use this repository to run below commands. So this is sudo wget. Right, Linux command. Wget means if you want to download anything, this is a command, and this is a Jenkins repository. So you don't worry, just copy and paste it. No need to remember. Also, no one is asking. Every 3 months, 6 months, it will change. So copy this, paste it. Now see here, repository is added. See 100% added. See this repository. Okay. Send waiting for 200 means success code and added. And second command. So RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. Just they are importing. So this is RPM is means Red Hat Package Manager. This is also Linux command. So Red Hat Package Manager. And so just add that URL also. But no need to remember. You don't worry. Installation is not a big issue. If you Google it, many people they will give many ways. We can do anyway. That is up to you. So there is no fixed way. Next, we need to install the Java software. Right? So if you want to install Jenkins, which is the mandatory package, software Java, right? Without Java, can I run Without Java, can I execute? Can I run Jenkins server?
No, sir.
No, it won't work.
Compulsory.
So copy this one and coming to here, just paste it. This is a Java. In Windows, right? We downloaded Java and we installed Java. That is exe file. This is the Linux, right? So this is m is the one command, m install, and this is your package name, Java package. Now they are asking like use this command sudo Amazon Linux extras install Java jdk open jdk 11. So just they are giving this command 11 Amazon extra. This package is available. Please, they are suggested like please install this package. Anyway, I am going to install this particular package. So this is only Java installation. In Linux, we need if you want to install Java, so this is the command yum install and your package name, which package, which version Java, which JDK version you need. So which JDK version you need. So that's it. So now see here. So now see, now Java is okay. Now how to check Java is installed or not? So how to check? So Java, if you type Java, now you can see commands or else. So clear the screen. Java hyphen. What is the command? Version.
Version.
Same. See here. JDK 11. JDK 11. JDK. Java Development Kit. Version 11 installed. Long term support installed. Okay. Now, so Java is okay. Now how to install Jenkins? Only one command. Very simple command. See here. Go to here. What is the command? Yum install Jenkins. That's it. Yum install. Yum is the Linux command. If you want to install any package, so this is a command and yum install up to this syntax only. So here, if you want to Tomcat, we can use Tomcat. If you want to Nginx, we can use Nginx. If you want to HTTPD, we can use HTTPD. This is the change. This is the name, package name. We can give any name. This is the syntax only. Yum install, that is the syntax only. Copy this and coming to here, just paste it. That's it. Now see here. So Jenkins 2.375, it is downloading. See which version it is downloading. If you come to Windows, which version we are using? So 2.375.3. This is the Jenkins version, right? Windows we used, correct? See here, Jenkins version, bottom, right side bottom.
Yes, yes, sir.
2.375.3. Now which version here it is downloaded? So it is downloaded.
2.375.
2.37, same version, right?
Yes.
Same version. That is RPM file. So RPM file, and Windows we are using which file? Exe file.
EX5.
So here RPM file, Red Hat package manager file. The full name is Red Hat package manager file. This is the extension and it is installed. Now, so now you know. So now Jenkins is installed. Now how to access your Jenkins server? In Windows we are using one command, right? So Windows, which command we are, whether service is running or not? M services.msc, correct? So with the help of with the help of right, so we are checking whether the service is running or not. This is the Windows. Now I am in which platform? Linux. So how to check that service? Dilip, how to check that service?
So
Morning also sir explained, right? HTTPD server, how to enable it, how to check the status and all.
అది అది లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్సర్ సార్ అప్లికేషన్ లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్
Server status, and whether that server is running or not. Jenkins is the one server, right? So there is a okay. So we are using systemctl. Remember status Jenkins. We are using HTTPD. If you want to check the status, this is a command. Now see here. It is a running state or inactive state. Inactive. Inactive means, or also we can use this command also. Service Jenkins. We can use status also. Both are same only. We can use this one, but we'll see later what is difference between this one. Already I hope sir also explained. So this is the BIOS level. Every time, even if my machine is restarted automatically, if you want to start your service and all, so that case we are using systemctl, but we can use this service, this command also, service Jenkins status. Now this is not started. Jenkins server is installed, but it is running or not? It is active or inactive?
ఇన్యాక్టివ్ సార్
Inactive. How to start the Jenkins service? Tell me. Systemctl. Okay. Uh, enable. Next.
జెంకిన్స్
Jenkins. Work అయిపోతుందా? It won't work. See, the service data. It is created. Let me check it. So now systemctl status Jenkins. Now still it is inactive. Now start, right?
ఎస్ సార్
So our systemctl morning also మీకు HTTP ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారు కదా సార్, systemctl and start Jenkins. Okay. That I'm checking. Before we need to use service dot Jenkins. If you use that command, it will enable. But anyway, we'll check it. If it is not working, we'll change it. No problem. Okay. Now it is take time, right? Now check the status. Now it started. This is the command. Or we can use this command also. Service and so Jenkins but this is reverse. Don't confuse here. If you use service command, service Jenkins start. If you use systemctl start Jenkins. But anyway, remember in only one, don't confuse here. Okay, now check the status. Systemctl status Jenkins. Status Jenkins. Now see here, Jenkins server is running, correct? Now active. Now there is no issue, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now how to access Jenkins server in Linux machine? In Windows, localhost colon, what is the default port number?
8080.
800. I hope everyone know. Suppose now I configure Jenkins server in Linux flavor. Now how to access? So if you want to access, so go to your AWS console. This is our instance, right? So this is my instance. Now if we click on this instance have two IPs. One is public IP and one is private IP. So here it won't work localhost. This is not a Windows. So this is the Linux, right? This is the Linux AWS and Linux. There is two types of IPs. So now see public IP, IP4 and private IP4 and DNS name also. So we can use this one or we can use this one, public. We can use any one. So
Only
let me
running, sir.
no?
Only running. We have to use IP address.
Okay, this one public or this. This is the DNS name and this is the public IP. Copy this public IP. Okay. Copy this public IP and coming to browser, paste. And what is the default port number? Same only. 8
8080.
8080. That's it. Now see here in Windows, it is giving a default password is that different path, right? Now this is the Linux Jenkins installation path. Variable lib Jenkins secrets install. Copy this one. Copy this one. And already I connected instance, right? Just if you want to see the content and all, this is the command cat space command. Sorry, it is not save. Copy this one, coming to here, clear the screen, cat space, just paste it. Still not copied. Let me copy this one, double click, copy, and so control C, cat space, just whatever copied, paste it. Now this is my initial password. See, this is the path. So variable lib Jenkins secrets initial. This is the default Jenkins installation path. Now this is the initial password. Anyway, we are going to change in Windows also we can, but that path is different. Only path will change. Now paste this part initial password. Paste it here. Continue. Now which one we need to select? This one or this one? Suggested or selected?
Insta
Suggested.
Suggested. That's it.
Suggested.
Remaining part same as it is only. Windows or Linux, whatever it may be. That's it. Only Jenkins installation steps only it will change. Remaining Jenkins configuration, creation, jobs, whatever it may be, each and everything same step, same configuration only. Now we can understand how it will work. So here it will take some time. Based on your internet speed, it will work. Sometimes it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it will take 10 minutes also. So based on your internet speed. Anyway, now it completed very quickly. So I have proper internet. Now username. Now we can set any username. So anyway, I am following same pattern. Admin only I am following username and all. So same I am giving. So my admin. Okay. That's it. Save and continue. Now see here. Earlier we can see localhost. Now we can see your public IP and this. That's it. Now your Jenkins server is ready. Click on the start. That's it. Nothing. Now your Jenkins server is ready. Your Jenkins server setup is ready. I logged in which user? Administrator user. I logged in which user? Administrator. And so right now remaining story same only. Go to manage Jenkins.
Sir,
Check
it
it
will
whether
connect directly Amazon.
ఎస్. ఇప్పుడు నీ మిషన్ యాడ్ ఉంది, నీకు అమెజాన్ లో ఉంది.
అమెజాన్ లో ఉంది, దానికి
ఎస్,
కనెక్ట్.
దాంట్లో కనెక్ట్ చేసి దాంట్లో సెటప్ చేశాను నేను.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో లైనక్స్ మిషన్ అనేది నేను ఎక్కడ చేశాను, అమెజాన్ లో క్రియేట్
అమెజాన్ లో.
చేశాను.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఆ అమెజాన్ మిషన్ లో ఇప్పుడు నేను జెంకిన్ సర్వర్ సెటప్ చేశాను.
అంతే.
దట్స్ ఇట్. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ దర్ ఇస్ నో, డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్. ఇక్కడైతే విండోస్ అనేది నా లోకల్లో ఉంది,
లోకల్.
విండోస్ మిషన్.
అవును.
బట్ ఇక్కడ నా ఇప్పుడు లైనక్స్ మిషన్ అనేది నేను ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేశాను, AWS లో
అమెజాన్
క్రియేట్
నుంచి
చేసి
AWS.
అమెజాన్ లో అక్కడ జెంకిన్ సర్వర్ సెటప్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే.
ఇది నా స్టోరీ ఏదంటే ఇది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. ఇప్పుడు
లైనక్స్.
లైనక్స్ లో జెంకిన్ సర్వర్ సెటప్ చేశాను. సో
ఓకే.
ఐ యాక్సెస్డ్ మై విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ పబ్లిక్ IP కోలన్ పోర్ట్ నంబర్,
సేమ్ ఓన్లీ పోర్ట్ నెంబర్.
సేమ్ number, remaining story same only here a local host it won't work. Okay,
ఓకే
so
సార్.
local host it won't work, that's it. Now see here, so your Jenkins server is ready, everything okay. Now as of now, what are the topics we completed Jenkins, same all options will work here. Let me create one sample job. Now let me check it users. Now we don't have any users, only admin user only we have. This is the new Jenkins server, right? That's it. Now let me create so one sample project. Okay, so create new item, and I am selecting so job, for example. So here I am using so DevApps. Just we can give anyone DevApps dev environment. Just I am giving for understanding only testing only, right? See, remaining options same, nothing. Whatever you want, remaining same as it is. So as of now, what you know, if you want to trigger the build, click on the build now. Click on the build now. Now see here, that's it. But in Windows, it is showing like a path and all C colon, right? Now see here, if you go to this project, this is the Windows server. If you go to this path, go to console output. So where is your path? Jenkins workspace and all local machine, right? C colon programs data Jenkins workspace and all, right? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
But if you come to Linux, where is your path? See here, this is a variable lib. This is the directory structure in Linux. So I hope all you know a Linux structure and all, but only Krishna you don't know. Just I will send videos, just refer it, you can understand. So
Oh,
this is the Linux platform. This is the directory structure and all. It will change in real time also, same path, same structure. Okay, it won't change anything. Now this is my Jenkins installation path in Linux. Variable lib Jenkins workspace. This is my job name. This is my project name. So this is my project name. This is my workspace. This is my Jenkins. This is the default path up to here. So variable lib Jenkins workspace. Variable lib Jenkins workspace. Now I want to configure so repository. So how to configure repository? Same story. See here, GitHub slash. This is my account, right? Go to
yes.
here. Go to this. Now select which branch you want. Dev branch. And so copy this. Copy this. Coming to here. Go to project, go to configure, and so go to source code management, select gate, paste URL, same. See,
Credential.
credential I don't have anything. Now we are getting one error message. Now see here, so failure to connect repository. Let me add a credential also. So username, password. This is my GitHub account username, and my password and ID. Okay, description also I am giving same. So add. Now I selected my credential. So even though I selected my credential, I am getting one error message. Now observe here. Now anyone have any idea? Just read this error message. If you have any
Yeah,
idea,
need to install our instance in Git.
see it is expecting
Git software.
error performing Git commands. So actually just now my Linux command is ready. Linux machine is ready. Now whether check whether Git is installed or not. Wait, it is hanged. Timeout. In real time also we are getting same error. Suppose if git is not installed that mission, so we are getting same error. Errors and all wherever same errors only. My mission different error, your mission different error, like real time different error, not like that. So wherever if you something, so same error I am getting here also. In real time also same error. Your mission also same error. Now let me connect it. So now connected. Now go to root user. Sudo -i. Now clear the screen. Now check the git. Git is not available. So how to install git package? Very simple only. Already you know, right? So if you want to install any package, what is the command? Yum space install space package name git -y. That's it. So yum install git -y. That's it. Very simple command. Now check it. Git. Now it will display all commands. Now anywhere. Correct. Now coming to here. Now just refresh it. Reload it. Now coming to configure source code. Select git. Paste the link URL. Not here. So coming to here. Copy this. Coming to here. Paste it here. And already I have credential. So earlier I get one error, right? Now see here. Error was gone. See? Error gone, right? Now added. And what is the branch name you want? Master or dev? Same only.
Dev, sir.
Only as dev. Whatever it may be. That is your wish. Apply. Save. Now build it. Now check it. Go to console output. See, it is connected. Which branch? It is connected dev branch, and so it is clone the code. Same only. So in Windows, how you configure, same in Linux also. It won't change anything. It won't change anything. So for example, I want to install any, right, one plugin. Same. Tell me anyone. Manage Jenkins,
And Jenkins,
and so manage plugins, and so available plugins.
available plugins.
I'm going to install via so advanced options. First go to here. For example, deploy to container plugin. I want to install it. How to install it? See here. Jenkins plugin. Go to official website. Jenkins plugin, and this is a Jenkins plugin. And so search which plugin. Deploy to container plugin. So deploy to a container plugin. So deploy to container plugin. So deploy to container plugin. Click on this, and so these are the versions and all. Where is download? Release download option. Is it correct? The issues releases here. Install the so deploy to container. Which version you want? So if you go to releases, now see here. Which version you want? 1.5 or 1.6 or so 1.14, whatever it may be. This is 4 years ago. 1.5 2 years ago. I want this one. Just click on the direct link. But it is downloading Windows, right? I want to download Linux. We need to use one more Jenkins CLI plugin. I'll show you directly. We can also, but CLI we need to execute this command using CLI. Now coming to here, where is this Jenkins server? Go to here, manage Jenkins, manage plugins. What command it is coming? Plugin. Let me come. It will work. I think it won't work here. So we need this is the CLI command. There is one option is that Jenkins CLI. Where is that option? So go to manage Jenkins, and so CLI Jenkins CLI. See here. So Jenkins CLI. access manage Jenkins your shell. Click on this, and so here available commands. We need to execute like this. We need to execute like this. Plugin, enable plugin, disable plugin. Next, install plugin. This is the install plugin. We need to execute this command only. So jar-jar, CLI jar, and this is your IP address and web socket. We need to execute like this CLI level. But if we have, so anyway, it is it in my mission. I want to copy. If you want to copy URL also, we'll see somewhere. Where is that URL? Get copy link address. Coming to here. Go manage Jenkins, manage plugins, and multiple ways we can do it. This is also one way. So install URL. See here. Now see already URL, right? Now deploy it. That's it. Many ways we can do. This is also one way. So directly I copied the URL and deployed it. Now successfully installed. Now how to check that installed or not? So go to job, go to configuration section, and go to post build actions, and click on here deploy to container plugin. See, deploy var to container. That's it. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? So there is multiple ways we can install plugin. So we can install available tab, or we can download, we can install it, or directly we can give URL. So that is up to you only. That is up to you only. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? Hello?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. For example, now you want to configure Maven. So how to configure Maven? Windows, you know, right? Same if you want to configure Maven. Now go to dashboard. Let me create a Maven project is not available, right? So Maven project is not available. How to install Maven plugin? See here, only free shell job is a pipeline. I want to Maven project. So go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and so coming to manage plugins, and so available plugins, just search Maven plugin. See here, select and without restart. That's it.
సార్ మనం విండోస్లో ఎలా ప్లగ్ఇన్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసాము సేమ్ అంతేలా
అంతే సేమ్.
ఓకే
ఓన్లీ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ పార్ట్ విల్ చేంజ్. అంటే విండోస్ లో ఎలా చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఎలా చేయాలి, ఆ స్టెప్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ స్టెప్స్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ. విండోస్ లో ఏం చేస్తాం అదే జస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నా మీకు కంపారిజన్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ గో టు డాష్బోర్డ్, నెక్స్ట్ గో టు న్యూ ఐటమ్. నౌ సీ హియర్ వీ కెన్ సీ Maven ప్రాజెక్ట్. నౌ సీ హియర్ Maven. నౌ సెలెక్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సో Maven web project. Now whatever you want we can select it. Okay, Maven project, apply. Okay, now how to configure repository? Go to this is my repository, copy this, and so copy this, coming to here, this is no need, coming to here, and go to source code management, click and select repository, and credential same, and branch master or dev, whatever it may be. I want dev only, and apply. Now if you build it, now we'll see, we'll get one error message. So maybe already installed, no error. If not installed, we'll get error message. See here, now we have one got error message. What is the error message? Read this message, we can understand. A Maven installation need to be available for this project to be built. Either your server has no Maven install defined. What is this meaning? In real time also we are getting same error, same issue. Maven not installed. Now how to configure Maven? Tell me anyone. So I want to set up Maven. What is the option? Go to manage Jenkins. Next, what
Manage
is the global tool configuration? మర్చిపోయినారు అప్పుడే global tool configuration. కరెక్టా? Now go
yes.
to Maven.
Maven install.
ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే గుర్తుంటాయి. సెలెక్ట్ విచ్ వర్షన్ Maven, for example 3.8 I need. So automatically I am not going to 3.6 I am selecting. So automatically I want to install automatically. That's it. Apply, save. Now run the build. Now trigger the build. Go to here dashboard. So now see here Maven web project build now. Now see first time, right? It is downloading. So first time, right? It is downloading all necessary jars and all. So first it is checking local repository. So if that jars not available, it is connected to central repository. This is only first time downloading all necessary jars and all. Clear? Same Windows ఎలా చేసాం Linux కూడా same.
Okay.
Now see here. Finally build success. War file is generated. This is your path. See here where is your war file. So here is war file. Variable lib Jenkins, and so this is a variable lib Jenkins dot m2, and so here we can if you want to we can go and check it Jenkins. So see here. Now let me check it whether that var is available or not. Let me connect. Now I will show you, and clear sudo -i root user and cd space. What is the default installation path? Variable / lib / Jenkins, right? So Jenkins. Now ls. Now here we can see ls-la. ls-la hidden files I want to check it. So ls-la. So here somewhere we can see .m2. Where is .m2? Here, see here, this is the directory .m2, correct? So go to that directory, cd space .m2, and so ls, and here repository, go to here ls, and so cd space, and so where is your here you go and check it path. Where is this path? So repository com.mt maven web application. Okay, com mt cd space com /mt ls. So now we can check it. The cd space maven web application ls cd space. This is the snapshot. Right now I am following snapshot. So here we can find that war file. Now see here, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to check it, just copy this file and deploy into the Tomcat server. That's it. So anyway, I will show you later. And directly if you want to get it, so here also we can check it. So variable lib Jenkins workspace maven war file. So this is your local. This is your local, and directly we can get here also war file. Okay. So this is the path. This is the default. Interval also one or two people they ask this question. So what is the default Jenkins installation path in Linux mission? What is the path? Variable lib Jenkins workspace. Variable lib Jenkins. That's it. Variable lib Jenkins. So this is the default installation path. I hope you got it right. Now, so next class I will start. So master and slave. Very important. What is master? Jenkins master, and what is slave? So next class I will start, and today I am wind up here, and if you